So with this red pepper, I'm going to show you the easiest way to trim this. Simply cut through the top. Make sure you only cut through the stem, not through the main part of the core. And the stem will just fall out and give you a donut. Cut the bottom like this, but not too much. You only need a little bit off the bottom. And then once you're moving along, get a long paring knife, and you've got 4 connecting tissues to cut through. Cut through that one, that one, that one, and we're cutting from the top side because you can see the core there. Cut the 4th one all the way through. Now flip it over and push with your thumbs, and that whole center section should just come out and be nice and clean. Sometimes you get a few little pips left inside, but typically you're going to get a nice clean tube. And here's a little secret about red peppers or capsicums. They're kind of square-ish. So there you can see some flat sides. I've cut through what I'd call a corner, so that's nice and flat. And there's another section there, we can get that, that's nice and flat. And we go for another one. I get 4 flat pieces out of that. If you're going to cut these into other pieces for using them for other uses, actually flip them over so the skin side is down and cut through the flesh part. It's a lot easier to do. With these peppers, I'm actually going to roast them to char the skin off them, but you can do whatever you want with a bell pepper or a capsicum, and that's that. How easy was that? Nice and clean, nice and simple, no mess, no waste. Thanks for watching. If you like, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you later. Bye.